The Creo Mold Machining extension, or MMX, provides specialized 3+2 axis machining capabilities optimized for mold, die, electrode, prototype, and other one-off and low-volume machining. Powered by Modulworks, a leading supplier of CAD/CAM components, MMX is fully integrated into Creo and provides an intuitive and efficient workflow for the high-speed milling process. The software provides 4 new multi-core, multi-threaded toolpaths: HSM Rough, HSM Rest Rough, HSM Finish, and HSM Rest Finish. These toolpaths provide adaptive strategies for efficient cutting conditions. Creo MMX provides the same familiar workflow as existing Creo NC toolpaths. And for organizations who already have a Creo NC extension, the 4 new toolpaths will be available directly in the same user interface. For Creo users who do not have existing NC extensions, MMX includes functionality for setting up manufacturing assemblies and other related NC toolpaths, such as 3-axis trajectory, hole making, and more. Lastly, when users are ready for material removal, they can simultaneously simulate both the existing Creo NC and the new HSM toolpaths. Creo Mold Machining extension provides an intuitive workflow for high-speed milling. The software is fast, accurate, and easy to use. With MMX, you'll save time, money, effort, and extend the life of tools and manufacturing machines.